You want to be a pro investor, right? You want to make those smart money moves like the big guys on Wall Street? Well, you're in the right place. Most people think investing is some big mystery, only for guys in fancy suits. But that's just not true. It's about having the right mindset, the right strategies, and the discipline to stick to them. In this video, I'm going to break down 5 essential tips that'll take you from beginner investor to seasoned pro, so you can start building that wealth and securing your financial future. All right, let's dive right into the first and probably most important tip: mastering risk management. This is what separates the pros from the amateurs. See, beginners, they get all caught up in chasing those hot stocks, those get-rich-quick schemes. They're not thinking about the downside, the potential losses. A real pro, though, knows that managing risk is key to long-term success. So how do you actually manage risk? Well, it starts with diversification. You don't want to put all your eggs in one basket, right? Spread your investments across different asset classes. Stocks, bonds, real estate, maybe even a little bit of gold, for those rainy days. And when it comes to stocks, don't just go all in on 1 or 2 companies, no matter how promising they seem. Diversify within your stock portfolio too. Mix it up with some growth stocks, some dividend-paying stocks, maybe a few ETFs for good measure. This way, if one investment takes a hit, your whole portfolio won't go down with it. Another crucial aspect of risk management is having an exit strategy for every single investment, even before you buy it. Think of it like this. When you're playing poker, you don't just go all in on every hand. You gotta know when to hold them and when to fold them. Same goes for investing. Set yourself some limits. Decide how much you're willing to lose on any given investment and set a stop-loss order to automatically sell if it hits that point. It might sting a little in the short term, but it'll save you from potentially massive losses in the long run. Remember guys, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about slow and steady growth, not trying to get rich quick. By mastering risk management, you're essentially playing the long game. You're protecting your capital, minimizing potential losses, and setting yourself up for sustainable long-term returns. Let's talk about something that trips up a lot of investors: emotions. See, the market, it's a roller coaster, right? It goes up, it goes down, and sometimes it feels like it's doing both at the same time. Now, beginners, they tend to get emotional about these swings. Market dips a little, panic. Sell everything. Market surges, greed kicks in, and they start buying everything in sight. But here's the thing. Pro investors, they don't let their emotions call the shots. They know that patience is one of their most powerful tools. They've got this long-term vision, see? They're not worried about the day-to-day fluctuations. They're thinking 5 years, 10 years, even 20 years down the line. One of the best ways to combat emotional investing is by using a strategy called dollar-cost averaging. It's simple, really. Instead of trying to time the market and investing a lump sum all at once, you invest a fixed amount at regular intervals, no matter what the market is doing. This way, you're buying more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high, which averages out your cost over time. It takes the emotion out of the equation and helps you stay disciplined with your investments. Another thing to keep in mind, don't chase those quick wins. Those hot stocks everyone's talking about? They might seem tempting, but more often than not, they're just hype, and hype fades. Pro investors, they look for value, for solid companies with strong fundamentals that are going to be around for the long haul. They're not swayed by the latest trends or get-rich-quick schemes. They're in it for the long game, remember? So next time you feel your finger hovering over that buy or sell button, take a deep breath and ask yourself, is this decision based on logic and my long-term strategy, or am I letting my emotions get the best of me? Mastering your emotions is key to making sound investment decisions and becoming a true pro in the game. Research and due diligence, your weapon against disastrous investments. All right, let's talk about something that's absolutely crucial to becoming a pro investor. Research and due diligence. Now, I know it doesn't sound as exciting as, say, picking the next Tesla, but trust me, it's just as important, if not more so. See, a lot of beginner investors, they get caught up in the hype. They hear a hot stock tip from a friend or see some flashy ad online and they jump right in without really understanding what they're investing in. But pro investors, they know better. They treat their investments like they're buying a piece of a business because, well, that's exactly what they're doing. Before putting their money into anything, they do their homework. They dig deep into the company's financials. They look at things like their revenue, their earnings, their debt levels. They analyze their management team, their competitive landscape, the overall industry they operate in. They read industry reports, news articles, and analyst opinions to get a well-rounded view of the investment. They don't just rely on one source of information. They cross-reference and verify everything to make sure they're getting the complete picture. And you know what? It's not as complicated as it might seem. There are tons of resources available online that can help you research companies and understand their financials. Websites like Yahoo Finance, Google Finance, even the SEC's Edgar database where you can find company filings. The key is to be thorough and to approach your research with a critical eye. Don't just believe everything you read, question things, look for red flags, and if something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Remember guys, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to investing. By taking the time to do your research and due diligence, you're arming yourself with the information you need to make informed decisions and avoid those costly investment mistakes. So don't skimp on this step. It's one of the hallmarks of a true pro investor. Continuous learning, stay ahead of the curve. You want to know one of the biggest secrets to becoming a pro investor? It's not some magic formula or secret handshake, it's actually pretty simple. Continuous learning. See, the world of finance, it's constantly evolving. New technologies emerge, markets shift, and what worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. Pro investors, they understand this. They know that to stay ahead of the curve, they need to be constantly learning, expanding their knowledge, and adapting to the ever-changing financial landscape. So how do they do it? Well, they read books, lots of them. They subscribe to financial publications and websites. They attend industry conferences and webinars. They follow thought leaders and experts on social media. They're like sponges, constantly soaking up new information and different perspectives. They're not afraid to challenge their own assumptions and to learn from their mistakes. And they understand that the more they know, the better equipped they'll be to navigate the complexities of the market and make those smart investment decisions. But it's not just about keeping up with the latest trends or learning new investment strategies. It's also about broadening your horizons, understanding different asset classes, and exploring new investment opportunities. Maybe you're comfortable with stocks and bonds, but have you ever considered real estate? Or maybe even investing in startups? The point is, there's always something new to learn, and the more you diversify your knowledge base, the more well-rounded investor you'll become. Remember guys, investing is a journey, not a destination. There's always room for improvement, and the best investors are those who are committed to lifelong learning. So make it a habit to set aside some time each week, even if it's just 30 minutes, to read a book, listen to a podcast, or watch an educational video on investing. Trust me, your future self will thank you for it. Have a clear exit strategy. Know when to hold them and when to fold them. All right, we've talked a lot about what to look for in an investment, but now let's talk about something equally important: knowing when to sell. Many people get caught up in the excitement of buying, but they don't have a plan for what to do once they own the investment. They might hold on for too long, hoping it'll go back up, or sell too early, leaving money on the table. Pro investors approach selling with the same level of strategy and discipline as buying. They have a clear exit strategy in place before they even make the investment. They know exactly what they're hoping to achieve, whether it's a specific return, a certain time frame, or a change in the company's fundamentals. And they're not afraid to sell when their criteria are met, even if it means leaving some potential profit on the table. One of the best ways to do this is by setting a target price. This is a price point at which you're happy to sell your investment and lock in your profits. This target price should be based on your research, goals, and risk tolerance. Another important part of your exit strategy is knowing when to cut your losses. Holding on to a losing investment longer won't make it a winner. That's why it's crucial to set a stop-loss order. This order automatically sells your investment if it falls below a certain price, limiting your potential downside. Having a disciplined exit strategy is crucial to protecting your capital and ensuring long-term success in the market. Remember, investing is a game of probabilities. The key is to cut your losses short and let your winners run. By having a clear exit strategy, you're taking the emotion out of selling and making decisions based on logic and strategy, which sets pro investors apart. All right, guys, those are the essential tips to help you become a pro investor. Remember, it's all about mastering risk, controlling your emotions, doing your research, and always learning. Pro investors are made through discipline and smart decisions, not by following trends or quick wins. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments which tip you're going to implement in your investing journey. And remember, start thinking and acting like a pro, and the results will follow. See you in the next video.